Hello everyone, so here is a quick revision of simple present, simple past and simple future tense. You can call it present indefinite or past indefinite or future indefinite too. So let's start with the simple present tense or present indefinite. So it's only subject plus verb 1 plus SODS plus object. So the thing that you have to keep in mind, with singular subject you will use SODS with the verb. But with the plural subject you will not use SODS with the verb. Like she goes to school, they go to school. And if you have to change that into negative, you will use do or does. With the singular subject like she singular, you will use does. She does not go to school. And with the plural subject, you will use do. The thing that you have to keep in mind when you're using does in a sentence, you will remove s or es that you are using in the sentence with the verb. Okay, that you're using with the verb, you have to remove that when you're using does in the sentence. So in this way, you will write here, she does not go, not goes. Otherwise, your full sentence will be wrong if you will write here goes only. So this you must correct it. Now, if you have to change it into question, you will bring does in the beginning or do in the beginning. Like does she go to school? Question mark. Do they go to school? Question mark. Like this, you will change it into interrogative form. So this was about simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Now comes simple past or past indefinite tense. In this, subject plus V2 plus object. Second form of verb you have to use. So go, the second form is went. She went to school. Because we are talking about past, then we have to use it yesterday. So she went to school yesterday. And when you have to change that into negative, so you will use did instead of do. Like we are using do or does in simple present tense, the second form of do or does is did. So in past tense you are using did here. So as we already used did, second form of verb do, then we will not again use second form of go. You have to change went into first form of verb. So you have to write here go. Like she did not go to school yesterday. So in the same way, when you will change this into question, you will bring did in the beginning, did she? Again, you have to change went into go. Did she go to school yesterday? So you will never use second forms of verb in the same sentence. You have to change one into first form of verb. So the next is future indefinite tense or simple future tense. In this, subject plus will shall plus first form of verb plus object. So in this, you will simply write she will go to school tomorrow. As we are talking about future tense here, so you will use here tomorrow in the sentence. So in this, already helping verb is here and main verb is go here. So you will use after will, you will use not. She will not go to school tomorrow. There is no need to add any helping verb by yourself because it is already given here. So you will write she will not go to school tomorrow. And in the same way, question in the question form, you will bring will in the beginning. Will she go to school tomorrow? So in this way, you can change it all these into negative and interrogative form. I hope this is clear to all of you and this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.